Hey guys, Dr. Mike here, and today we're in the kitchen, talking about something we all need to prioritize: liver health. Your liver is like a superhero, working tirelessly to filter out toxins. But just like any superhero, it needs a little help sometimes. We're going to unlock the power of everyday ingredients to give your liver a little TLC. We're talking about things you probably already have in your kitchen: fresh ginger, vibrant turmeric, bright lemons. So, if you're ready to show your liver some love and boost your overall health, let's dive into these 5 easy-to-make home remedies. Let's start with a classic lemon ginger turmeric tea. This golden elixir is like a warm hug for your liver. First, grab a pot and add about a cup of water. Grate in half a teaspoon of fresh ginger and sprinkle in a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Let this simmer for about 5 minutes to release all those amazing compounds. Now for the final touch: a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Stir it up, pour yourself a cup, and feel the warmth spread through your body. This tea is best enjoyed warm, so sip slowly and let it work its magic. Next up, we're blending a vibrant juice packed with vitamins and minerals to support liver detoxification. Roughly chop 1 peeled beetroot, 2 carrots, an apple, and a small piece of ginger. Toss them into your blender with enough water to help it blend smoothly. Beets cleanse the blood, and carrots are loaded with beta-carotene, great for liver health. Blend it up until you have a beautiful, vibrant juice. If you want, you can strain it to remove any pulp, but I like to keep it in for extra fiber. This juice is best enjoyed fresh, so drink up and feel the revitalizing power of nature. For those who prefer a lighter detox option, green tea with mint is a fantastic choice. Green tea is known for its potent antioxidant properties, which help protect the liver from damage. Start by steeping a green tea bag in a cup of hot water for about 3 to 5 minutes. While that's brewing, grab a few fresh mint leaves. Mint not only adds a refreshing twist but also aids digestion and soothes the stomach. Once the tea is steeped, remove the tea bag and add your mint leaves. Let them infuse for another minute or two, then remove them before enjoying your tea. Staying hydrated is crucial for a healthy liver, and this cucumber mint detox water makes it easy and delicious. Start with a pitcher of fresh, filtered water. Aim for about 1 liter. Wash and slice 1 cucumber, then add the slices to your water. Cucumber is a natural diuretic, which means it helps flush out toxins. Next, add a handful of fresh mint leaves. Give it a good stir and pop it in the fridge to let the flavors infuse for at least an hour. This detox water is perfect for those hot summer days, or after a workout to replenish your electrolytes and support your liver's natural detoxification process. Last but not least, we have a detox water that supports liver health and boosts your metabolism. Thinly slice 1 apple and add the slices to 1 liter of water. Apples are a good source of fiber, essential for a healthy digestive system. Now, for the star of the show, cinnamon. Add a cinnamon stick to the water. Cinnamon regulates blood sugar levels and boosts metabolism. Let this infusion sit in the fridge for at least an hour to allow the flavors to meld. You'll be amazed at how such simple ingredients can create such a delicious and beneficial drink. So there you have it, 5 easy and effective home remedies to help detox your liver naturally. Remember, taking care of your liver is essential for overall health and well-being. Stay hydrated and always consult your healthcare provider before trying new remedies, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. For more home remedies and health tips, make sure to follow and subscribe to MedMe Home. Until next time, stay healthy, friends.